Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix ping in Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games and apps on this device. If you go here to the left side of your screen, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix your ping in Fortnite or in any online game on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings and then click on network. Once you do that, here you're gonna find two options, connection status and settings. Make sure you have connect to the internet enabled and then click on set up internet connection. Once you do that, go ahead and choose your network, connect to it and then click on option. And then here you're gonna find advanced settings. Click on advanced settings and then here you're gonna find all of the options related to your Wi-Fi network. You're gonna find password, IP address settings, DHCP hosts, and here you're gonna find DNS settings. So in default, it will be automatic. Click on it and then select manual. Once you do that, here you're gonna find primary DNS and also secondary DNS. In the primary DNS, make sure you type 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK and then wait for it to connect to the access point and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.